which was given as a gift from Nikon. So it has the brand name Nikon on the top of it, the front side of the back, and then there's a small zip pouch for your mobile or something like that, which is like quite easily accessible, and it has quite a soft, a coating of a soft layer which is given on the top, so that it doesn't, it can absorb the shock or something. And then there is the second layer of where you can store your pens and your visiting cards and kind of a notepads and stuff if you are taking a note or something. And then there is also the water resistant cover which was given over here, which is inside this. So in case of a rain or something, you can just quickly take it up and put it on the entire stuff on that, like the bag completely covered on that. So this is a partition. I've just put it inside. So this partition is to partition the third opening. This is the third opening of the bag. You can see on the top side of this opening is basically 2 slots for your memory cards, the CF cards, and whatever the cards you have. And as well as there is a pocket they have given. It's kind of having a transparent layer so that you can, whatever you put inside here, you can actually look at it. So maybe you can put in some batteries and stuff, so that you can just look at it. And here's the partition layer. So this is like for more partitions. So this entire thing is coming with this one. So you have 2 additional partitions. You can make it more partitionable. So it came with this black thing, so you can just put it around this, so that when you put a camera lens here with the camera, so this is a T shape for the camera with the mounted lens and 2 other lenses if you have. And then there's a small pouch over here to carry the additional stuff. And finally the back comes with the laptop case. So if you have a 13-inch or 14-inch laptop, it will easily go inside. So basically that's for storing your laptop. And it comes with a cushion on the back side for your back, as well as when you put it down or something, so it can absorb some kind of pressure because of the cushion which is on the back side of it. Other than that, it has this 2 side pockets for your water bottle and for tripod. So you have this thing where you can just lock your tripod inside with 2 legs, so that the tripod wouldn't fall, because it's gonna give you some kind of a mechanism to hold it up. That's pretty much it in terms of this bag. So we've just gone from top to bottom to the back side, and in the bottom you have this layer where you can just keep the the bag on the ground, so that the first thing which reaches the ground is over here. Though the thing which I really miss is that this part of this bag. So if you see the bottom layer of this bag, so normally this one touches the ground, and if there's water in this, it gets spoiled. In Sky bag, if you see, it comes with something like a kind of like a stuff over here where you can just pin it on this, and basically it holds it from falling down. But that is not given over here. This is kind of a disappointing stuff. But on the back side you have the Nikon branding, as well as the front side you have the Nikon branding. So it tells you that this is a professional SLR bag or something, but it's majorly used for mirrorless because it's quite small. So thanks for watching this video. I'll just come back with you with the next video in which we unbox the Z7.